Hello guys, Mr. True here, back again with another video for you all. This is going to be a bit of a tutorial video for those that want to create content like I do. This is my own opinion, so please don't judge me because everyone should have their opinions and everything like that. Make sure to subscribe and like for the video though if you have any other ideas or suggestions that I should do for my channel. And let's hop right into it. So the video today that we're going to be doing is... People have been asking me how to use YouTube and how to produce videos and how to get more views, everything like that. I'm going to go through it. It's going to be nice and quick, and hopefully it should be enough information for you to gather. So, when you're creating your YouTube channel, you should always have a memorable name. So, like maybe try and think of a name. I know it's hard to think of names, but find a name that you think that will get people's attention. So I've gone with Mr. True. It used to be 2TV Connor T, but I didn't think it really fit the job and people weren't really that interested in it. So I thought I'd change it. Mainly, just find a good name that people will want to see. So if they see a name like that, they'll be like, oh, okay, that's a nice name. Okay, I like that. And then also have a really good, nice profile picture. So something that represents you. Like you could have a profile picture of yourself. You could have it of something else. It's entirely up to you. I mean, YouTube is a massive community-based kind of content creator kind of place that most people will use. I think it's a good tool in terms of like if you're wanting to do computing for like university or college, anything like that. This is the kind of thing that can enhance the skills and the attributes for that. You could also have a banner. You have a nice beautiful banner that people will see on your channel. Now, for the general synopsis of it, you can make videos based on what you like doing. So whether that's vlogging, or gaming, or educating people, or fashion, style, then you can kind of put that into a place like this and get views from it. Now, I know people are kind of confused to the fact that they're not getting as much views that they should be getting, and that's because they don't like the subject that you're doing. But if you just stick to it, you stick to the one topic that you like doing, trust me, you will get more views. I swear. Like, if you can look at my videos, for example. The face reveal, 200 views in 2 months. Now think about that, okay? Why do you think someone would want to see a face reveal? Well, it's because sorry, I'm just jittering now. If it's interesting, and people see that title and think, wow, a face reveal, oh my god, we need to see this guy's face, then, you know, it'll be something that you can get from that can enhance your skills further. Now, obviously, my channel isn't doing that good, because I only have like 100 subscribers, but this is just my synopsis of the whole thing, and I think that you guys can take that into account as well, so then when you're making your YouTube channel and you're trying to produce content now and then, you know, it gets really good when you start like making more videos over and over. Yeah, so let's move on to like uploads. Now, you need to have a consistent schedule, okay? And I'm not just talking about 1 month, 2 month schedules. Nah, you need to have like videos out on the fly, okay? But don't produce too many at one time. Let's say I make 3 videos in one day. No one's going to want to watch those unless, like, someone else finds it. But if you make multiple videos in one day, like, that's not going to be good. At least make 1 or 2 videos a day. Or at least take, like, a 2-day break or something. Because that's what I've been doing. I've been doing videos like this. And then I wait, like, another 4 or 5 days, like 2 or 3, before I make a new one. So always having a consistent schedule and a consistent upload time, as you could say, then it actually makes your videos better because you're not constantly giving the viewer more things to watch. You know what I mean? So, I mean, people will go on a random video and then it'll show like other videos that kind of connect to the topic, and so people will want to click on it and watch it. You know, and so it just gets people's attention. So what you really need to do is to plan out the video you're making and then film it. Whether you have a computer or you use a normal camera when you're going out and vlogging. You know, just the basic synopsis of that is just to Just do it consistently, but don't do too much. Because people will not like that. Personally, for me, I do gaming and tutorial and vlog videos. You know, you can do multiple topics as long as it's consistent and like you follow through on it. And so therefore, you know, it's not that annoying for viewers to see, because I look at your video and think, oh wow, this is good, but then this is also good. You know what I mean? So it's just kind of getting your audience together and really trying to bring out the synopsis of like the video that you're producing. So we're gonna move on now. So you have Customize Channel, which is Creator Studio. Now Creator Studio is a really good tool for when you're uploading videos or you're trying to make content, because it has its own editing software that you can use to crop, to add music, just to add anything in particular. So first thing is featured video for returning subscribers. So if you have subscribers that haven't watched you for like a year or two, they can go watch the video that you put on there to look through again and to think, oh yeah, I remember this guy, you know, he was really good. So you know what I mean? So that's one thing you want to be doing. You can actually make your own sections, so you have your own uploads. You can have popular uploads that have like more views, and you can even have your own playlist. So I've got Roblox, Fortnite, and vlogging. I'm thinking about doing more like another playlist for tutorials. I will add that. Also, you need a channel trailer. Now, I haven't done one yet because I haven't got the whole thing down about that. So if anyone can give me tips in the comments, let me know, and I'll try and do that. But anyways, okay. I'm downstairs. Upstairs. Also, you need a banner again, like I said, profile picture. You can even add your own watermark, whether that be the end of the video, or you can set your own time, or the entire video. It's up to you. What else? You can also look at your dashboard. You can see how many subscribers you have, the views you get. I've actually just hit 400 views overall, so that's pretty nice. You can look at your own comments, recent subs. You can also see the content. You can edit them out. You can add your own description to it. It'll tell you the date of it when it was published, the likes you have on the right, all that kind of stuff. Playlists, again, I already mentioned that. You can also see the analytics, so the reach and engagement of the audience. So the views again, like I said. The impressions you're making. Impressions are pretty good actually, I like that. That's good.
Your cup?
Yeah? Watch this. Don't mind that. Sorry. Watch time. Well, it's not that good, but going to improve it. Returning viewers, unique viewers, subscribers, all that good stuff. And it also has a policy for copyright stuff. So if there's a removal request in terms of copyright music, you can always look at that. You can also check on your monetization. Oh, this is... Oh. So if you get enough subs and enough hours watched, along with the verification and the community guideline strikes, then you can form a community within that. So that's something else that you can abide to. I think that's pretty much it. I'll have to talk about more in a future video, but I think that is all. So like I said, be consistent, make videos on the fly, and you will be successful. I just love doing YouTube because it's a good topic. I'm not gonna actually we'll talk about this. You also need to make sure you have a good description. Like you can say who you are, like what your goal is, all that kind of stuff. You can verify your email address and everything. It also says when you joined and how many views you've gained, and all that kind of stuff. So Okay, I'm going to leave it there. I hope that was enough information for you to carry out for yourself. Make sure to subscribe, hit that subscribe button. It should be like up here or something, but I can't see it because it's my own channel. Mr. True. And on that note, wait, what the heck? Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the support, and I'll see you later.